Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add psychedelics experience to your designs. So here you can click apps, then click a design essentials. So I open this on my PC. This is the Canva desktop version. Before we begin, please sign in with your account. If you don't have one, please sign up. So you can click apps again, design essentials. Now you can scroll down, and here we go. Try to find trippy. Give designs an edgy digital feel, futuristic psychedelic experience. Trippy is about happy accidents and edgy look made to mimic to the effect of a digital error. So you can click or use in existing design if you already have one, or you can use in new design. Let's use Instagram post aspect ratio. So here you can try to drag an image. Let's have one image, this one for example. Here we go. Oh, this is the video. So let's delete this one. So here you can click the image. Now this is the radiate, split, fluorite, opal, or trace. Let's try fluorite here. So if you feel a trippy, or you can try a psychedelic experience, you can try with this design. As you can see, you can combine this with another app that can create animation. So this is the solarize, and if you're done, you can click save. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.